Magbanggit ako sa yung 10 words. Number 1, red. Number 2, butterfly. Number 3, flower. Number 4, slime. Number 5, book. Number 6, ball pen. Number 7, car. Number 8, rainbow. Number 9, school. Number 10, bike.
So, 6 na makuha ko.
Oh, okay, so how many words do you think you can get? Ilang words ang makuha mo doon sa tingin mo? Sa 10 na yun. 5, okay. So, what do you need to remember the words? Anong kailangan mo para maalala mo yung mga words? Yun na, yun, basahin ng mga words. Magaling ka ba mag-alala ng mga words? Okay, so, ito, naalala mo na yung 10 words na sabi ko sa kanina. Okay, so, ano yung, sa tingin mo, ano yung mga words na maalala mo? Sige na. Red, tama.
Butterfly.
Ano pa? Tama. Ano pa? Yung ginahawakan mo. Dalawa na lang kulang mo. Maano mo ng 5? Ano pa? Ano pa?
Sinadolo ni Mike.
Ano pa? Dalawa na lang. Para maano mo yung ano.
6 lang?
Sabi mo kanina 5 ang ma-remember mo sa 10. You get, ano na, you already get 3 words na tama. Dalawa na lang kulang doon sa binanggit ko sa iyo kanina. Ano pa?
Tingnan ko nga sa isip ko.
Ano?
Isa na lang.
Ay, isa na lang. Isa na lang.
Flower.
Yun, flower. So, naalala mo ang... So, may maalala ka pa doon sa gisabi ko kanina. Aside sa gibanggit mo kanina, ano pang maalala mo?
5 lang maalala.
5 lang maalala mo. Yun lang. Yun lang. Yun lang. Sige daw, ulitin mo din yung banggit mo kaganina. Yung 5. Oh, red. Oh, butterfly.
Slime.
Oh.
Salad.
Yun lang, yung banggit mo.
Pang ilan na ba ako?
Pang-4 na, isa na lang kulang. Sa 5 na gibanggit mo kanina. Okay, naano mo lahat. Anong gigawa mo kanina para ma-remember mo yung mga words? Basahin yung word. Okay. So, may basahin ako sa iyo na kwento, story. Ang name ng story ay si Billy. Okay, basahin ko sa iyo ha. Makinig ka na maayos. Billy is a bee. He is a little brave bee. One day, a hive was set on fire. Other bees were in danger. Billy came to help the poor bees out. Kung magtanong ako sa iyo, intindihan mo na.
Yes.
Magtanong ako sa iyo, anong title ng bee? Ay ng story.
Title? Billy.
Si Billy. Okay, tama. So, anong sinabi doon sa ano? Anong about yung story na binasa ko sa iyo?
Huwag ka magbigay ng hint para ma-remember.
Ano yung gisabi ng yung, ano yung gisabi ng yung kwento? Na si Billy ay, si Billy ay, di ba gitulungan ni Billy yung mga kaibigan niya kung nasunog ang bahay nila? Anong gigawa ni Billy?
Napunta siya doon sa
Anong gigawa niya doon? Gitulungan niya. So si Billy ay helpful. No? Sunod. Where is the beginning of the story? Ano yung simula ng story? Ano yung simula ng story? Uy. Na si Billy ay isang ano si Billy? Helpful. Ano yung si Billy? Siya ay isang
B.
siya ay isang B. Okay. Yan na. Natama mo. Natama mo. First things first, I will be telling you 10 common words. Number 1, rainbow. Number 2, school. Number 3, books. Number 4, house. Number 5, chair. Number 6, flowers. Number 7, table. Number 8, airplane. Number 9, passenger. 10, notebook. Now, are you good at remembering?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Like, siguro out of 10, 4, 5, or 6
Wait,
pinakamat.
ilan yung maalala mo dun sa 10 common words kanina?
Maybe 5 or 4.
Okay, 5
4
or
to
4.
5.
So, what kind of things do you do to help you remember?
The things that I'm doing para maka-remember is to familiarize the
Familiarize.
binigay na task if ever i-memorize talaga siya, and isulat yung key points para hindi ko siya makalimutan.
Okay.
Or
Does your
writing
teacher,
method.
okay, so thank you for that. Does your teacher give you idea to help you remember?
Yes.
Yes. What different ideas has your teacher given to you?
Like I've said earlier, familiarize and also write the key points and read again and again the article or the topic that you're going to
Okay,
discuss
so
or say.
do you remember some specific examples of things do you have learned in school to help you remember things?
Yes.
So what specific example of things do you have learned in school to help you remember things?
Ano daw?
Do you remember some specific examples of things do you have learned in school to help you remember?
Things like familiarize, ano?
Specific examples of things
Extempo.
you have learned. Okay, extempo.
Impromptu.
Impromptu.
Reporting.
Okay.
Toto.
Thank you. So, now, do you use them? Do you think they are helpful for you to help remember
Yes.
things? Okay, yes. Now, tell me the 10 words that I have said the earlier.
Rainbow, notebook, passenger,
No?
chair,
Okay, you got 4 and 6 more left.
lang. Rainbow, passenger, book,
Okay, yes. 5 more.
book,
Kanina sinabi mo 4 lang, but ngayon alala mo 5. So, you're getting well,
Papa. May color ba doon?
wala po.
Wala, yan lang.
Okay, so you
Pinapilitin
got
ang sarili ko.
5. Okay, now, I will be reading a story which is the Naughty Monkey. Naughty Monkey. It was quiet afternoon in the jungle. It was hot and everyone was either resting or sleeping except the parrot, and the naughty monkey. The mouse slept on the mat, the owl dozed on the branch. The parrot was painting a picture. The naughty was monkey swinging from the branch to branch. And suddenly there was a big squeal. The owl nearly fell out of the branch. The parrot's painting got spoiled. All this because of the naughty monkey had rolled up and the mouse inside the mat and sat on it. The mouse squealed and all the animals started scolding the naughty monkey. So now I have read the story. Do you like reading? Why and why not?
Yes.
Okay,
Pero,
yes.
meron siyang specific genre, which is
Specific genre.
fiction than rom-com.
Okay, thank you. Is there something that could is there something there could change at school? Might you like reading more?
No.
Okay, no. What kind of things do you like to read at school? At
Maybe
school.
yung philosophy na book.
Philosophy.
Yeah. Kasi bago siya sa akin.
Okay,
Quite
so
interesting siya.
do you read outside of school? If so, what do you like to read? What do you prefer or why do you prefer to read those?
Meron yun na nga, yung Wattpad book, which is genre. Meron akong mga libro.
I do think reading is important.
Yes.
Yes. Many people think that reading will help you do better in school. Do you? Why or why not?
Ano?
Many think people reading will help you do better in school. Do you? Why or why not?
Do you? Yes.
Yes. And why not? And why rather?
Kasi, pasabi mo doon kay, kung makahelp siya, kasi syempre, paano ka makaintindi ng isang bagay kung di mo basahin? Paano ka, kunyari, sa exam, paano ka mag-take ng exam kung hindi ka magbasa, hindi ka mag-read ng instruction bago mo gawin, edi nagkamali ka.
Okay. So, what kind of things do you do when reading to make sure that you understand what you are reading?
I have my method, which is the blurting method. I will read the context thrice or twice, then I'll write what I remember on a piece of paper.
Okay. Thank you. Has your teacher helped you learn ways to help you read better?
Yes.
To help you understand and remember what you read?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And we're done. And you will be retelling the story.
It was a sunny day.
Wait. No.
Ay, mainit siya. Araw yun.
The story that I have told you the early. What is
The
what
Naughty
is
Monkey.
the title of the story that I have read to you?
The Naughty Monkey ba yun?
Okay, thank you. And again, what does it tell, or what does it tell about the story?
Nakasira siya ng painting ba yun?
Mhm.
Kasi may nahulog na, ano yun, squirrel, ha? Basta may nahulog na hayop, tapos nakasira siya ng painting, tapos nagalit sa kanya yung mga ibang hayop.
Okay, so the monkey is being naughty.
Galit sa kanya yung mga hayop, ibang hayop kasi nakasira siya ng bagay. Tapos, yung time na yun, kaya siya nakasira kasi swing ba siya?
Mhm. Okay, so you remember those, and after the happenings, what did the all animals do to the monkey?
Galit nga.
Okay, they scold the
Naughty monkey.
naughty monkey. Okay, that's all. Thank you for participating.